Using only toilet paper, this might change your daily routine. Do waterlace by the sprayer. Show you how to set up. Okay, put the plastic mat like that. Then you should remove this one. I'll remove this one. Put it here. And we'll attach this one like that. Okay. Then like that. Okay, we will close it. Close this one. Look, it's ready. This is ready now. We'll put the pipe. Okay, now we'll put the pipe first here. Put here. Okay. For use, turn off that tab and open this one. Okay. Okay, like that. Then this one here. Last part, this one here. Now it's ready. Let's open the tab. Check is there any leak. Bidet spray is ready. You can choose which section you want. Okay. Off. Water pressure is to adjust. You can choose light spray or stronger one with simple turn on off the control. Nice feature is the self-cleaning nozzle. It cleans itself after use, so it's more hygienic. Not make too much space and it fits most standard toilets. If you are looking for easy bathroom upgrade that's simple to install and easy to use, I think this is a great option. Thank you for watching.